Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add Google Translate into your Google Chrome browser. I'm just basically going to show you guys how to add the extension, just so if you go to websites that aren't in a language that you recognize, Google will then translate it for you to the language that you do recognize. Now, all you have to do is just go over to your Google page right here and just type in Google Translate extension. And then all you want to do is click on this first one right here. It's chrome.google.com. This will just bring you over to Chrome's web store to allow you to add extensions. Once you're over on this website right here, you just want to click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. And then it'll just take a second for it to add the extension. So we'll just give it a couple seconds here. And once it's done, you'll notice it's completed when you see this removed from Chrome right here. It means it's been added. You might also receive a little pop down from the right side of your screen saying it's been added. But once it's been added, you can go over to a website that you don't recognize the language in. So I just have Amazon here opened up in Spanish. Now, once you have that extension put on, you'll see right here, you have this little pop-up showing Google Translate. You can just click on that. And then it says Spanish, which is what the website says. And then if you click over to the English portion, it will then translate the website to English. So as we see, it translated the website to English for us. Anyways, I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to add the Google Translate extension into your Google Chrome browser. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.